What's the meaning of century? Century. Century.
Century. Century. The word century refers to a period of 100 years. It is often used to describe a specific time span in history or to measure the age of an object or phenomenon. The concept of centuries has been widely used throughout human history and can be traced back to ancient civilizations. The Gregorian calendar, which is the most widely used calendar system today, divides history into centuries, with each century beginning on a year ending in 00. Overall, the term century serves as an important tool for organizing and understanding the passage of time.